flash news. This is maximum 10. And this is about to discuss status broken and posting. Posting is nothing but inserting the data in servers. And that is server. Here we discuss about age. Age is nothing but, for example, when we are watching the Aditya TV, they are display the messages on the bottom side. That message lifetime is 4-5 seconds only. This is also age. Here also that messages which how much time is displayed in the screen. That is the age. And freshness. What is the freshness? What is the news recently added? That is the freshness. And saving from protocol changes. When we have changed the, for example, newspapers. When we are watching the newspaper in the internet, that newspapers are daily, one day, changes the, updates the papers. This is also, we are update our paper, that is saved in this section, and this is the saves at 560 bytes speed. And main disadvantages in this section: reduce the bandwidth at 7.7 average speed. Reduce the bandwidth. This is the only drawback. And related works. Related works are nothing but about Google searches and web scrolls and watching TVs and climates. That's all. Next one. Finally, we are discussing about scrolling the news and flash news, Google search engines, rating of these sites displayed in the Google search. That is mainly discuss about this section. Thank you.
Please.